Hi, my name is Teacher Mao and I'm a Teacher of the Month for the month of May, and I am here to answer frequently asked questions about the English language. So let's get started.
Hey, you!
First question. How do you make sure your students understand your lesson? Well, basically, I start my lesson with a friendly environment. I let my student know that I'll be willing to help and guide them in any way. Now, having the connection with them makes the class fun, interesting, and light. After setting the mood, I ask them to go to the lesson. Then after I wrap up or end the class, that's the time that I check how far they understood the lesson. I do a little bit recap. I ask questions. I let them use the topic or the ideas that we talk about that day in writing, in speaking, or in any other way it will do. Okay, and then in any case that they don't understand the idea or the lesson on that day, I give more examples. I practice with them and I let them remember that mistakes, or we don't have any mistakes, we actually call them lessons. So I'll be there to guide them and teach them over and over again. Question number 2. What's the best way to remember English vocabulary? Oh, this is a very interesting question. I let my students remember my name, Mao, M-A-U, but in a reverse way. So this will gonna be U, A, and M. U stands for understanding. I'll let them understand what is the meaning of the word first and then how to use it in a sentence. That's A, application, practice. Then last will be M, memorizing. When it comes to memorizing, it will be more easy to remember words by learning vocabularies by heart. Understand, apply, then memorize will come naturally. Third question. How can I improve my English outside of the class? Improving English outside of the class, you need a huge amount of listening. Many students, they master the 5 points of grammar, but when they come to conversation with a native speaker, suddenly they feel that I'm lost, like what's happening? I don't understand. Now, developing your listening skills will also help you to be more fluent in speaking. You need to be confident. You need to engage with people, native speakers or other people with different nationality. The most important thing there is that you just need to gain that experience that you're talking with somebody using English. Lastly, you actually need to surround yourself with English. Listen to movies, TV series in English, and then if you're a music lover like me, then you can listen to any English songs with your type, of course. Then try to write the lyrics while you're listening to the music. Why? It also helps your spelling, it also improves your vocabulary. What is the best way for me to improve my listening? Focus, relax, and then repeat. When you say focus, you need to pay attention to the keywords that you hear. Relax, of course, you need to relax. You need to have a clear thinking so that you can understand. Lastly is repeat. Okay, repeat will be a little bit tricky. Why? Because you need to play, pause, copy, and then repeat again. What are these for? You need to, let's say you're watching a movie, you need to play it. You need to pause it if you don't understand. And then try to copy how native speakers say it. Don't forget that listening is a foundation of speaking. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot of new things about English today. Now once again, this is Teacher Mao, the Teacher of the Month for May, right here in the best place to study English, Cebu.blue.ocean Academy. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe, like, and follow our social media accounts. I'll catch you later. Bye!
What?